Hi, my name is Dave Butler. I am the Customer Success Manager with Page Optimizer Pro, and today we're going over the Schema tab. Each and every time that you generate a report within Page Optimizer Pro, the Schema tab will also generate. This tab checks both your competitors' pages as well as your page for any schema types that could be identified. Unfortunately, you can see that my target page here does not have any schema. But scrolling down, I can identify the schema on each one of my competitors' pages individually. At the very bottom will be the recommendations themselves. This informs you as to what schema types were identified amongst your competitors' pages, as well as how many of your competitors' pages that particular schema type was present in. If multitudes of your competitors are using a particular schema type, we recommend considering adding that particular schema to your page, as this will allow you to keep up with your competition as well as get ahead of those in your competition that aren't following best schema practices. Now, that's everything you need to know in order to use the Schema tab. As always, happy optimizing!